Average Mike. It's me, playpanda, me, Mike, and playpanda from the playpanda YouTube video, his YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do today we already finished the 2012 Acadia rotary replacement with brake pads. Real quick, real easy. 6 bolts, 6 lugs, 4 bolts on the end, 4 screws on the inside, 1 star, T30 star screw, and it's done. It literally took us about 20 minutes to replace it. So
it's not that hard.
Check out the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the other side. Hey, welcome to Average Mike today. We got a guest mechanic here today, and it's playpanda from his YouTube channel. How's it going, playpanda? Good?
Yeah, good.
Excellent. So today we're switching out the rotors and the brake pads on the 2012 Acadia, GMC Acadia. All right, continue. He's taking off the caliber for the brake pads. He's got the 2 bolts. We're keeping them together, correct?
Yeah.
Yes? All right, so next thing you do is you grab the screwdriver. Grab the screwdriver and pull the caliber off. See if you can pull the caliber off. Now, put the wrench down. Put the ratchet down. Pull it off. Gonna take off the caliber. Nope, the one that looks like a M.
This?
Yep, pull it. Easy, both sides.
Yep, it's coming off.
Wiggle it. Watch your fingers. All right, keep on wiggling it.
Yep, it's coming off.
All right, now the hose is attached to it, right? So when you pull it off, you want to go up with it and wrap it to the top of the rotor. There you go. All right, now hold it there. So there you go. So he's 8. Playpanda's 8. Don't wipe it on your clothes.
Okay.
So Playpanda's 8. He just took off the caliber for the brakes, for disc brakes, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna depress those pistons right there with 2 clamps, and then we can put the brakes back on together once we swap the rotor. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'll see you on the other side.
Yeah. Oh God, you're getting it all mine.
All right. So we're gonna depress these pistons again, right? So you've seen this in the one brake video. Mason, just go ahead and twist that a little bit. So we're just gonna go ahead and work this in
that way.
real slow. Okay, keep going.
Yeah.
There, come on, a little muscle there. There you go. So just cranking it with a C-clamp, nice and easy. You see the piston going in. Pretty simple. You got to depress it all the way so you can get the pads and the fresh rotor on, because the new ones, they wear down, so these come out as they wear down. They're completely depressed. And what we're going to do is we're just going to hang them here, so we're not putting any more weight on that clamp. So, trick for this is get zip ties and zip it to the coil so it doesn't fall.
Yeah, but we don't have zip ties.
We do have zip ties.
Where are they then?
They're in the toolbox.
Okay, I'll go down. Didn't know we had zip ties.
You recording? So
this is really,
because this is a hydraulic hose there, you don't want it to break because they're a pain in the butt to run through and replace. You just kind of want to take this like this, wrap this up here through this.
I was asking him why I couldn't take that off, but
Fingers crossed. And then, Mace, can you hold that up in the air, please? Yep, hold that up in the air like that. Okay.
You've got it?
Nope. There you go. So now the zip ties are holding it in place. It's not putting stress on this. It's loose.
Yeah.
And we can just have it tighter if it needs to be.
Yeah, if you break this, then it's gonna be a hard thing to put back on.
Correct. So now we take the pads off. Grab that screwdriver, Mace.
Yeah.
All right, and what we'll do is nice and easy go in here and just pry them off, since we don't care about the rotors, right? And those pads are about half worn, so we'll reuse those pads. And you can take the other one off, Mace, same style, same way. Easy. Go to the top. Go to the top. There you go. There we go. That one's really terribly worn, so we're actually going to replace them.
Yeah, we might replace
See,
that.
that's broken, and it's pretty badly worn on the one side. So that means the inside of this rotor is pretty nasty.
That's why.
So the next step is to take these bolts off back here, remove the brake pad holder, and then take the star screw off. Boom, rotor comes off. New rotor goes on. Everything goes back on.
Putting this back
That's
on
it.
is not that hard. So it isn't.
All right, just hooked up the T30 star screw off the top here.
Now we're ready to put this back on.
Old rotor coming off.
Yeah.
Pretty
Very
nasty on the
rusty.
inside. You can see it. It was a really warped, so that was riding really rough when we hit the brakes.
Yeah,
This one, nice and clean.
So
We're gonna go ahead and slide this on.
whenever we were driving, it had like a kind of screeching noise. Now we'll put that back in because we have a new one. So.
I'll hold it back in and it's nicely tighten it because you don't want to cross thread this. Nice and easy.
So now we have.
There you go. And then you just tighten it back up. Everything goes back to place and tire goes back on.
So we said that.
You just watched a rotor replacement with playpanda, who's 8. And one of the Average Mike's from Average Mike YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And we'll see you the next time.
Bye-bye.